In this video, we'll see how do we install and configure IntelliJ IDEA for our Java development. So in our previous videos, we have seen there are two popular IDEs we'll use for Java development. One is Eclipse, which is completely open source, and another one is IntelliJ IDEA, which will be available both in free and paid versions. So in this course, we are going to work on IntelliJ IDEA, and in our further courses, we'll explore how do we use Eclipse for Java development.
Hey, thanks for watching our content so far. If you're new to Training Mark, we're the fastest growing technology training company and create content to help freshers like you to master the disruptive technologies like full stack development, AML, cloud, DevOps, etc. If you like the content so far, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon not to miss any new content from us. Like and share this video with all your friends. Let's build your career and the community together.
To download and install IntelliJ Community Edition, let us go to Google and search for IntelliJ IDEA for Windows. So IntelliJ IDEA is the official product from JetBrains. So you can click on this download IntelliJ IDEA link. So if you can see, IntelliJ IDEA is available in two versions. The first one is Ultimate and second one is a Community Edition. As you can see, the Community Edition is for pure Java and Kotlin development, and it is completely free and built on open source. The other one is an Ultimate Edition, the leading Java and Kotlin IDE, and you'll get 30-day trial version available for this. And we'll use this Ultimate Edition for web application development or enterprise application development. But initially, to start with Java programming, Community Edition will be sufficient enough. So you can also see the comparison, what is available, what is not in both the editions, and choose the right one for your development. So in this course, we're going to see the Community Edition, which is the pure Java and then Kotlin development, which will be enough for working on the Java fundamentals. So now here we are downloading the .exe version, and then you can see what are the different operating systems, and based on the operating system you can choose a different version for this. So if you go to Mac, and then you'll get the different operating system, and the Linux you'll get the different version. So here we're going with Windows. So now we'll use this exe version, and then once you click on download, it'll start downloading it. So once the download is successful, you just go and then open the folder and just right click on this and click on run as administration and select yes. So it will open this pop-up, just click on next, and by default it will choose C program files and create a folder called JetBrains, and then install this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, and then the version that what we're installing is 2022.3.2, and you can choose this browse to store it in a different location, but I recommend that you store it in the default storage. Just click on next. And it will ask you to configure your IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition installation. So what and all you require, whether you want to create a desktop shortcut, or what are the create associations, what you want to build, whether this could be .java, Groovy, or .kotlin, or whatever. I'm just choosing this as default, and then click on next, and then just install. And one very important thing is you must have your JDK installed in your machine before actually installing your IntelliJ IDEA. So make sure that you install the appropriate Java version before actually choosing to install IntelliJ IDEA. So once the installation is successful, so you'll get this that the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition has been installed on your computer, and we can click on finish to close this. Or if you want to run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, you can check this box and then click on finish, so that it opens your IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So first and foremost, you need to accept the license agreement and just click on continue. Then this is what is a data sharing, and just I'm saying the don't send, and then this is how your IntelliJ IDEA looks like. So this what is a welcome screen, so where you get it like you have projects, customized plugins, and then learn, and this ensures that you have successfully installed your IntelliJ Idea Community Edition, wherein our further videos will see how do we create a new project and then we'll get started for our Java development.